Hi everyone, I'm Leo, your supply chain partner in China. Today, I am excited to introduce a super competitive and high-tech window and door factory. This is your chance to level up your business and boost those profits.
We adopt high-quality 6063 virgin aluminum alloy, one of the top-grade 6 series aluminum alloys. It integrates hot extrusion, automatic straightening, automatic framing, aging treatment, RGV logistics, and spraying. The whole process is automated and highly efficient. Robotic automatic framing lines realize unmanned and efficient operation. RGV automatic logistics system enables intelligent scheduling and seamless connection. Vertical automatic spraying line for aluminum profiles delivers delicate surface texture and long-lasting durability.
After watching this video, I am pretty sure you will be blown away. This is what China's powerful supply chain is all about. If you are looking to do business in your own country or region, hit me up on WhatsApp. Let's team up and make it happen.